myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing about one topic. One of the person told that in Vadodara, some horn basically are connected from computer also basically. One of the person told that basically the horn basically sometime happens in the vehicle that basically is connected with computer also basically. That type of people basically say that basically whether it is connected, for example, from Bangalore city basically or from Mumbai city, lots of people say that basically we can control your horn of the Vadodara city also basically. So that we will discuss later on basically how they are doing. So next video basically we are actually talking about that same topic basically, one story of the particular person, that is Sunil R. Nair. Here basically I am taking the example why the earthquake basically are coming basically. That is this basically. What is the reason basically and how basically it is coming basically. See basically this all are coming basically. How basically that is coming. So here basically I have taken the example of myself basically, right? This story already taken. This story basically is ongoing. That is one job application basically is given to the certain companies, and why basically they are not giving the job basically. So here basically is the portal basically. These groups are basically controlled by whom? Few people says that basically these groups are controlled by this group basically, right? These all are the political people basically, political groups basically who created this all basically. This all means this all basically. This all software companies created by whom? This group basically. Where is that? Yeah, this company is created by this, and these groups are telling that we are actually not handling the things basically. We are basically handled by this group basically. That is the nuclear power plant basically. Whatever this group says to us, that we do basically. And these groups are telling that basically we are actually not basically here. ISRO groups are basically there who are basically handling us, that is the nuclear power company, and in USA basically these groups are handling. Then one of the person told that basically, yeah, basically without money NASA and ISRO is going to work basically. Tell basically in India basically, sorry, in Earth planet, without money nothing, anything is going to work basically. Nothing is going to work. So one of the person told that basically this everything basically is, that is this thing basically, that are the richest people basically who are handling the money industry, that are this group basically. These groups are handling everything basically, because without money this NASA, ISRO, this, then this, then this, then this everything is going to be there basically. No, without money basically Accenture will be also not there, Infosys, this all basically will not be there basically. So the groups who are handling the money, that are basically this group basically. This, 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 this. See basically, see this group and this group basically. So one of the person asked, you have any problem with this group basically? Then he told that no basically I don't know this group basically. I am basically trying to find the job basically. I basically, my highest income basically was I think 45,000. After that basically I never earned the income basically. After that basically that was the highest income basically. After that basically I never got the highest salary only. So that was the my age is 42, and my highest salary basically that I earned basically in my 42 life basically, that is 45,000 basically. And my current designation is project manager and software delivery head. In Vadodara basically my salary was 45,000 per month as a project manager, software delivery head. After that basically I never got the highest salary basically. So this is my highest salary basically. So how basically I know this group basically? How basically I can know this person? How basically I can know this person? No, basically I think you are basically going into wrong way basically. Then he told that basically you know it might possible that basically you are in the software industry, so basically this group basically might be creating problem to you. That is this group. Then I don't know basically. I never went to USA. I never went to France basically. Then how basically I can basically can? Then they wrote that they might have came here basically. Then I said, no basically I don't have any basically contact with these people basically. This basically is Google. This is Facebook. This is I don't know what is. This is also Facebook. This is Microsoft. This is France. This is Amazon, and this is Musk. Musk actually. No, I don't know anything basically. So I think there is some other problem basically. So there might be some other problem. That basically might be some other problem basically. This basically this, or it might be problem that basically from this of the companies basically, or basically the this basically recruitment group basically, they might have created problem to your lives. They might have created some problem to your resume basically. That might be some issue basically. So this is basically one discussion basically that is between the World Bank person and basically the Sunil Nair. In really basically there is no World Bank person basically. In really basically not there. So here basically what actually thing basically I am discussing basically. Here I am discussing my life story basically, right? These all are my life story. This all this Naukri, this Monster, Times of India, this all group basically told that basically you get out, we don't have any job for you. This company also basically telling, these groups are telling that we don't have any data for your future. These groups are also telling that. Then these groups are telling that basically get out. One of the company basically that was, I don't know where which company was that. One of the person basically told me that get out basically. That which company was that? I don't know, remember basically. And this company basically I worked there for 2 years, and then when they told that basically you can't enter the software company only basically. That means one of the person told us correct basically. Never love company because you does not know when company basically stops loving you. This company also basically told that basically you can't enter the company basically because you are an ex-employee basically. So somebody has told correct that basically never love company because you does not know when company will stop. Here basically I worked sometime basically I was working for 4 days basically without going home basically. So that type of thing basically also I worked here. Then they basically say that you basically can't enter the company. So that person basically was correct basically who actually told this. I will just remember, actually I don't know the name of the person basically who told this. This was the person basically who told this. So he's my thing told correct basically, because this is the my live example basically. That is, I worked here. I worked here basically for 2 years, and this basically group told that basically you can't enter the company. And sometime basically I was working here for 4 days basically. So you can't basically imagine basically. So this person basically, that was Abdul Kalam, he basically told correct basically. He basically really told correct, because companies are professional group basically. Until still you are working in the company, at that time basically it's okay. Otherwise basically when you leave the company, your everything is ended from the relationship with the company basically. So in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about this topic, that is stories basically, which is connecting to the earthquakes.